Hey guys, welcome to QuadS Trading, and today we're going to go over the trades of February the 10th. And today we had two trades. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe and comment below. I am giving away one free lifetime membership to our course and all of our premium channel to one lucky winner once we hit 250 subscribers. So today we had BDRX. They announced some news about some fast track FDA approval, and that's why this stock went bananas. Essentially, it pumped from the previous day 137% in one candle. So when it pumped up like this, I identified a resistance point here in SS4 trade at 732. So that was my first entry. And because it is a SS4, I do a smaller share position than a regular trade. And then when I noticed that it was coming back down, and if you look here, these candles here are all very bearish. I decided to take a position right here on the close below the blue line. So it did halt here. So it opened right here. So I went again at the 770 for an average of 551. And we are now waiting all the way down to the purple line here. So whichever one comes first, and this one here obviously came first, so I stopped out. I didn't stop out, sorry, I took profit at the 556 for a $195 win on a 100 shares. And if you look at the stock here, it's just going to go right back down to its original price as we keep going here. You will notice that this stock here has a lot of potential dilution. So here we are at dilutiontracker.com, my favorite website. So the overall risk is medium. The offering ability is low because they already did a lot of offerings. If you look at this candle right here, look at how huge. So this is the outstanding shares they have, the small little blue line, the dark blue, and then the gray and the light blue is all what they have available to dilute, which is a huge amount. That's why the overhead supply is high. Historically, they do this very often, and they need a little bit of cash because they have 6.1 month left. So for this cash to be high, it has to be under 6 months. So this is 6.1. So it's just enough to say that it's medium. So they definitely need a lot of cash. If you look at the news here, they did a US FDA fast track. It's just a bogus BS news to PR, whatever you want to call it, to get the stock to pump so that they can dilute their shares. Next trade for today was BFRG. This one here is what we call an SS1. It pumped once, it went below the blue, pumped twice, below the blue again. So this here is your entry, and then you just wait for this to happen. Boom, hits the purples. So it hit this one here, and over here it hit the other purple right. So this one here was our take profit. So this one here, this trade here was $38 for 100 shares. And if we head over to Dilution Tracker, BFRG, this one here has high, medium, high, high, medium. So they have some shares to dilute. They could do an offering. They could do both. If you look at the news, there is no news. So this thing here is all about dilution. And if you look here, look at how many warrants and stuff they have. It's all over the place. So this one here was another one that just pumped to dilute, pumped to potentially do an offering later on. So that's it for these two trades here. Head over to my Discord. We are a short selling community. We all short sell the same patterns, pump and dilute, and we'll see you in the next one.